BioClamp is a sanitary tri-clamp specifically designed to meet the needs of the triclover tubing connection systems that are commonly used in the pharmaceutical and in biotechnology industries worldwide. The original BioClamp design has been around, tested and proved for many years. Our clients are very clever, very smart, and what they're encouraging their suppliers to do is to re-engineer the process and pass on those cost savings to the customer. And that's exactly what we've done.
Security of supply is one of our customers' most important concerns. To achieve that, we need to have the capacity to make sure they have an uninterrupted supply. We've embraced automation to make sure that we've achieved the maximum efficiency in our production process and support customers that want to order large volumes of product with our robust, consistent lead times. We did a life cycle analysis. We've reduced the material that's in the product to reduce the amount of carbon that's generated during its production. As with our original BioClamp, both the moulding and the assembly process operates under an ISO 9001 quality system, which gives our customers the confidence that they're going to be receiving quality product.